Good evening, everyone. So today I'm going to talk about how to reset your WSL password. So sometimes there might be situations where you are using your WSL system after a long time, and uh, and that is the reason that you forgot the current password that you set for the WSL system. So the next question is like, when do you need this kind of passwords? Um, so let me show you. Like, let us suppose I want to use some regular commands like cd. Okay, sorry, cd/mnt. Okay, so let us suppose I want to change the directory to mnt. Okay, so what is mnt? Mnt is the it's a temporary directory that is created by the Windows subsystem of Linux, where you can actually see all the essential files that is there in the Windows system. Basically, it is these are the drives. Those are there in the Windows system that you can access. And let us suppose, so you can see here that cd is working, ls is working. If I do cd dot dot, I'm going back to the I'm going back after I'm reverting back to the folder that I was there before getting into the MNT. And if I do cd, only cd, you will go to the root directory. Okay, so all these functionalities will work in case of the WSL system unless you are trying to change something like installing some softwares or updating the WSL system. So if I let me show you this. If you do this sudo apt update, so now you can see that it's asking me for password. So this password I had set when I was installing the Ubuntu WSL system in my Windows, and now I have forgot the password. So let us suppose I try something, typing something. So you cannot see that if you are typing something, you cannot see it here because that is how the WSL system works. It won't show you the anything whatever you're typing here in the password, and you can see that you can only do this 3 times, and now you are trapped in this loop. You cannot come out. The only option is you have to close this window. Okay, so how to come out of this situation, how to reset the password, that is what we're going to talk about. Run as administrator. Okay, then you do this WSL -u root. Okay. Now you do password Anil. So Anirudh here is basically my username that I'm using for the WSL environment. Okay, so now what you can do is, now you can change your password. So let me just reset my password. So now it's done, so just exit. Okay, so now go back and open the WSL as usual, and now what you can do is you can try to update. Now it's asking for password, so try the new one. Okay, so now it's working. So I wanted to talk about another thing, that why you need this password and when do you need this. So the thing is that whenever you are using the WSL, if you are using commands like change directory list, make directory, change directory list, and etc., I don't think there is requirement of this password. But when you're trying to install something or update something or make new things within the existing things, there you might need to give this password. And so that is the reason that you need to memorize this